How to create a post on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn and log into your account. Then, in your home feed at the bottom, you'll find Start a Post. Click on Start a Post. After that, you can type in what you want to type. Then, at the bottom, you can rewrite with AI as well. You can add media, add calendar, create an event, and if you click on the plus sign, you can add more options like document, polls. After that, you can also schedule posts by clicking on the clock-like icon. After you have done that, you can press on post and you're good to go. This is how to create a post on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.